Hello, my name is Anik Alfirdaus, number name 2020 1162, class management B. I will discuss the open lower tradition. The open lower tradition is a routine event that is held every 10 years of Muharram. The event aims to replace the luhur or mosquito net covering the tomb of Sunan Kudus. This tradition contains a series of meaningful events. In addition, there is also a culture of mutual respect from the slaughter of buffalo meat for this event. The pilgrimage to the tomb of Sunan Kudus will be very crowded in Muharram from 1 to 10 Muharram. The Holy Tower has been packed with pilgrims from both inside and outside the city and in other areas in Indonesia. The hustling and bustling of the month of Muharram in Menara Kudus also occurs because the residents' preparation to carry out the tradition open lower tradition is an event held from and for the residents of Kudus and its surroundings. All the needs of the event are provided by the community by cooperating with the needs of the event, for example, rice, pig, cloth, and money. Prior to Muharram, the residents of Kudus and its surrounding have directly come to the location around the tower to donate without invitation or request for rice, cricket, or rice blessed with rice cricket, namely rice with buffalo meat, prepared intact leaves and given a prayer during the opening process of the holy community. I believe that rice can cure all diseases due to the blessing of Sunan Kudus. Apart from cricket rice, there is also surah porridge which is distributed only to recession participants, and the surah porridge community is porridge made with 7 types of beans, namely peanuts, mad beans, green bean, soybean, red bean, tolo bean, and Bogor bean. Some are fried, some are boiled. The porridge is served on the neck of the open lure. The tradition of opening lure in the form of a series of recession events to replace mosquito nets and distribution of cricket rice. The event is prepared by the committee, namely people who live around Menara Kudus. The event begins with washing the keris belonging to Sunan Kudus. The water used for washing the keris is fought over by people who purify their keris. The water is believed to contain blessing from Sunan Kudus on 1 Muharram, carried out the release of eggs, namely the white cloth covering the tomb of Sunan Kudus. On the dead, pilgrims from various places in Indonesia began to flock to the tradition of opening lure in the form of a series of recession events to replace mosquito nets and distribution of cricket rice who live around the holy tower. Thanks.